Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want YouTube running on your MacBook now. First, make sure Mac OS is updated and you're on reliable Wi-Fi, then sign into your Google account. Open Safari or download Chrome from the App Store if you prefer. Once the browser is open, navigate to YouTube. Calm and allow cookies so playback and sign in work properly. Make sure notifications are enabled only if you want play alerts. This gets you immediately into the YouTube interface and ready for the next configuration steps. Once signed into YouTube, customize how you watch. Enable picture-in-picture by right-clicking the video or use Safari's built-in Pi-P control so you can work while watching. If you want an app-like experience, in Chrome choose More Tools, right arrow, Create Shortcut, and check Open as window to add a standalone YouTube icon. Make sure autoplay preferences and privacy settings match your needs, disable intrusive extensions, or add an ad blocker if desired. These steps optimize playback. To finish, pin YouTube or the newly created Chrome window to your dock so you open it with one click. Set your browser to reopen last session to restore videos. For keyboard control, use spacebar and K/J for playback speed adjustments. If you hit problems, videos not playing, login errors, or poor quality, clear the browser cache and cookies, update the browser and Mac OS, then restart your MacBook. If that fails, disable extensions temporarily to isolate the conflict before seeking deeper support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.